Hello friends, welcome to Ronnie's Crick Expert. Myself Neeraj and this is Rohan. So today we are going to talk about the match number 27 of the Dream 11 IPL, the marquee clash between Mumbai Indians and Delhi Capitals and the fantasy prediction. Hello friends, so as all of you know and you must be following, the IPL fever is going on. And tomorrow is one of the big ticket clash. The we can say the battle between two marquee teams, Mumbai Indians and Delhi Capitals. If you see the standings, these two teams are the heavyweights of the IPL. You can call heavyweights as a tag to Mumbai, but you cannot for Delhi because over the years it was on and off. But for last couple of years, Delhi Capitals has been amazing, and the addition of their head coach Ricky Ponting have done wonders for them, and the captain Shreyas Iyer. In this IPL, they have started very strongly, and this has been the best start for Delhi Capitals over the years, over 13 IPL seasons, where they have won 5 games out of 6. Mumbai Indians, whereas on the second of the chart, and they won 4 and lost 2. So if you see the head-to-head competition between these two, there has been a big tussle between the Delhi Capitals bowlers and the Mumbai Indians batsmen. So the battle to look for me will be Rabada and Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma has been in good form in this IPL, scoring 211 runs of 6 innings. Whereas Rabada has been their go-to man, who have taken almost 15 wickets with less economy and good average. If you see the second clash is Ashwin and Rohit. So as you know, Ravi Ashwin was traded to Delhi Capitals before the start of this season by Kings 11 Punjab, and he has wood over Rohit Sharma. If you see, Rohit Sharma has played 93 balls and scored only 77 runs with 1 dismissal. So we can see Ashwin has wood over Rohit Sharma. And if you see Bumrah, who is the best bowler of Mumbai Indians, Rishabh Pant and Shreyas Iyer and Shikhar Dhawan seems to have played him quite well, and they have not been out. But Bumrah and Rishabh Pant is the battle to look for, where Bumrah has taken his wickets 4 times and he has not allowed him to score too many runs as well. If we look at the ground stat, then the tomorrow's match will be in Abu Dhabi. It will be a day-night encounter, and mostly in Abu Dhabi there is dew, so most of the teams are preferring to bat first. But if you see in this IPL, then total 9 matches, 6 have been won by the batting first, while 3 have been in the chase. So teams are preferring to bat first, but if you see, the teams have chased as well. So it depends on what the captaincy, but if you ask me, whoever wins the toss, they should bat first. And the pass score of the ground is 170. If you see the Dream 11 IPL record between MI and DC, there is nothing much to choose for because these teams have been in tussle with each other, and like if you see, it's hardly that can separate these. They have played 24 times and won 12 times each. So it should be a cracker of a game. So now let's have a look at our players battle, and let's see who are our main fantasy picks. So according to me, the players to look for will be Rohit Sharma for Mumbai Indians. As you know, Rohit Sharma has been scoring consistent runs. Unlike his last 2 seasons of the IPL, he has scored 211 runs. So I back him to score more, and he has scored big on when he has played under the lights at Abu Dhabi. Similarly, for the Delhi Capitals, I can see Shreyas Iyer is the go-to man because he has scored consistently, and he is the one player who holds the team together. So I guess Shreyas Iyer will be the guy. If you see the bowling lineup, both the teams have a settled bowling lineup with Mumbai Indians, Bumrah, Bolt and Pattinson taking around 30 wickets. Similar on the Delhi side, you see Rabada, Notjay, Nokia, Ashwin, Harshal Patel, on and off, like he played in the last match and he played well. Then you have Akshar Patel, so they have managed quite well. Even Stoinis had chipped in with a couple of wickets. So I back Bumrah, to take at least 2 to 3 wickets for Mumbai, and same for Rabada, because they have been their mainstays for the respective teams. Surya Kumar Yadav and Stoinis are the third picks for me, because Surya Kumar Yadav has found some form and Stoinis has managed to bail Delhi out of trouble whenever they were. So Stoinis will be the another factor to look for. I would like to put two wild cards. I'm saying wild cards because these are the two proven match winners for their teams. Ashwin played very much well in his first game where he bowled 1 over and he took 2 wickets, but then he was injured. Last couple of games he has come back, and the last game was where he won the man of the match, and he is the guy that Delhi should be backing on because he is the leading spinner. And De Kock has found form against the Sunrisers, and I'm sure that he will come on its good and he will score more runs. So let's have a look at our fantasy team. Rishabh Pant. We have gone with Rishabh Pant because Rishabh Pant has a proven record with Mumbai Indians. He likes playing the pace, and Mumbai Indians has good pace. Again, they have the likes of Rahul Chahar and Krunal Pandya. So like, you know, Krunal Pandya is a left-hander. So he will have a wood over Krunal Pandya in tomorrow's game if he bats well. So we are backing Pant. But if you want, you can even go for De Kock if you like, because De Kock also, I think he will score good runs. Batsmen, I'm going with Rohit Sharma, Shreyas Iyer. They are no-brainers. Then Shimron Hetmeyer. Why? Because he played very good in the last game. Surya Kumar Yadav. I'll go with two all-rounders, Pollard and Stoinis, because they have been the consistent players. For the bowlers, we are going in with Rabada, Bumrah, Chahar and Harshal Patel. I will have Rabada as my vice captain and Rohit as my captain, but you can even go for Bumrah, and you can make Iyer as the captain. So this is what our fantasy team looks. Well, as toss is concerned, I'm going for Mumbai Indians to win the toss because Rohit has done well at the toss and he has won quite a few tosses. So I guess Mumbai Indians will win the toss, and as the stats suggested, whoever team wins, they should look to bat first. So I guess Mumbai will bat first and they will score good runs, because at the Abu Dhabi they have scored 190 plus score at least thrice, and I back them to win this game. So my winners are Mumbai Indians. So this is our fantasy team. Just hit like if you have liked our video, and just hope for the best that your favorite team wins. Thank you.